guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Carla, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and show me some love. Today we are in my house and we're going to be doing a clean with me. I've got a baby hanging off me at the moment. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me. I'm going to try and see if I can, how much I can get done while he is having his first nap. So hopefully I can do the whole living room and kitchen area, but I'll bring you along with me. And yeah, let's see how far we can get. And hopefully this little guy stays asleep longer than 40 minutes. Okay, he's asleep. I've gotten changed. I'm ready. I'm probably not even going to have to time lapse this because I'm going to be running around like a blue ass fly trying to get everything done before he wakes up. But yeah, so I'll show you some before shots and then we'll get cleaning. Oh, also, this is my first clean with me, so do bear with me if it's not great. I will practice and practice and practice until they're good. But yeah, this is my first one. It feels so good to have a clean house. As you saw in the video, most of the products I use are the Aldi branded products. They work so good. They're just like copies, like the Cif copy that I used, that was from Aldi. Floor cleaner was from Aldi. So yeah, I get a lot of my clean products from Aldi. I really like them. If you did like this video, I'm going to be doing plenty more clean with me, so I hope that you enjoyed this one. Now that I've done my first one, I will be improving the next time, but I hope you enjoyed this. And if you love watching clean with me's like I do, please subscribe to my channel. Also give the video a like so I know that you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna have a cup of tea now and sit down. Thank you, bye.